Hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday, January 25th. Beautiful day. And mentioning YouTube, let's talk about YouTube a little bit. I think everybody's aware that has a small channel, large channel. YouTube is demonetizing all of the small channels that don't have at least 1,000 subscribers. And they're pretty much, that essentially tells me that they don't care about the small channels. And it pretty much tells people that if they're going to start a YouTube channel, don't bother because, you know, they don't want you. I think the whole thing has to do about advertisers. I mean, you watch YouTube and about the only advertiser I've ever seen is Wix. I've never seen another advertiser. It's just Wix. So YouTube, go out and secure some more advertising. Do your job. Go get people to pay to advertise on all of these videos. I mean, you got the monopoly. If you start alienating all of the small channels and getting them to leave, and then telling people never to start, don't bother starting up another YouTube channel because you won't, it's pretty useless, then you're gonna open up the market for somebody to come in and take your place. And you know, you think about what you're doing. You're telling people you don't want them anymore. What do you guys think? I know this is probably a controversial thing, but anybody remember technology changes? Well, y'all know technology changes so fast. Do you remember when the internet first started? You know, we had 14.4 dial-up. You know, we had modems in our computers. We had local internet service providers that you had to, you know, dial into. Those are gone. Then you had, you know, just, oh man, remember Netscape? Netscape was a huge threat to Microsoft. I mean, it really essentially was an operating system, so they got squashed. And you know, it's going to happen. Look at, gosh, remember some of the search engines like Excite, Lycos, or whatever, you know, they're gone, you know, and Google, you know, they're the big one now. But remember the old, oh gosh, technology changes so much, and if you don't take care and take care of everyone and be a good platform, then somebody's going to come in and take your spot, and YouTube will be a thing. 10 years from now, YouTube will be a thing of the past. So you guys better get your act together. You know, secure some more advertisers instead of just Wix. You know, I think I'll probably cut off my channel now if I post this. But anyway, just my thoughts. What do you guys think? Bye.